Hey there, future problem solvers. Today, I'm diving into some straightforward tips to ramp up your problem-solving skills. So, grab a cup of tea and let's crack on. First off, let's talk about breaking down big problems. Imagine you're faced with writing a 20-page essay. Sounds daunting, right? But if you break it down into smaller tasks like research, outlining, and drafting, it suddenly feels manageable. It's like eating a chocolate cake one slice at a time. Easy peasy. Next up, embrace the power of brainstorming. No idea is too silly. Ever heard of the sticky note method? Write each idea on a sticky note and slap them on the wall. You'll be amazed at how seeing all your ideas laid out can spark new thoughts. Plus, it's a fab excuse to go wild with stationery. Now let's chat about perspective. Sometimes we're so close to a problem it's like having your nose pressed against a painting. Step back and look at it from different angles. Ask a mate for their input, or pretend you're explaining it to someone who knows nothing about it. A fresh viewpoint can make all the difference. Another cracker of a tip is to stay curious. Keep asking why. Like a toddler who just discovered the word, this is the root cause analysis. Dig deep until you hit the core of the problem. It's a bit like being a detective, minus the magnifying glass. And don't forget to take breaks. Your brain is like a muscle, and it needs rest to function at its best. Ever noticed how you can suddenly solve a problem after a good night's sleep or a brisk walk? That's no coincidence. Rest up and let your subconscious do the heavy lifting. Lastly, practice makes perfect. The more problems you tackle, the better you get. It's like building muscle at the gym. So take on challenges, even the ones outside your comfort zone. You'll thank yourself later. To recap, break problems into smaller pieces, brainstorm freely, look at problems from different angles, stay curious, take breaks, and keep practicing. Simple, right? So, go on, give these tips a whirl and watch your problem-solving skills soar. Until next time, happy solving! Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Cheers!